Hello. Where are you from?
Hi,
Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Myanmar. Just I am from Bangladesh. We are neighboring country. Okay. Already I have followed you. Nice. Follow me. Instant.
Okay.
Are you from capital city Rangoon? Rangoon. Are you from? Right now?
I don't know.
Can you speak English fluent or little bit? English speaking style?
I guess
English.
a little bit only.
Little bit.
A little bit.
Oh,
Yes.
little bit. Okay. Just may I ask you some questions? Little questions about yourself. Little questions. Okay.
Little question.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is your name? Olivia. Your name Olivia.
Yes, Olivia.
Oh.
Yes.
Are you a student? Do you study? Are you a student?
No.
Oh.
Only.
Okay. Just a base.
Live copy on it.
Basically, I am a private teacher. English teacher.
No.
Oh, just how do you use this app? Will you inform me? How do you use? Or why do you